Okay, so today we're going to be looking at this homework, and this homework is going to be a lot of drawing. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So we want to make one line of blocks. So it says choose one block type, place 5 blocks in a straight line, and all blocks must touch. So we're going to draw our line of blocks. I'm going to pick a blue block, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all we have to do for the first assignment. That's it. If you want to, you can try to do this in Minecraft, but you don't have to. What I'd rather you do is try to think about what we're doing using pencil and paper, and then if you want to, you can use Minecraft. So now, a flat square. Well, we know that a square is this shape, but if we're using blocks, then it has some thickness, right? So we can use these blocks like here. Okay, there we go. And we have some thickness added to our square. Right, so this is our square, as if we were looking from the top, as if we were looking down like a bird. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each row should be the same length, and it should be 5 by 5. Super easy. This is where things get a little bit more difficult. So we want to take our 5 by 5 square and stack it 3 layers high. Now to draw this can be difficult, but we're just going to draw it from the side. Don't worry about making a 3D model. We're just going to draw it from the side. And I'm going to use different colors just so it's easier to see. Right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. And if we were to look around the side, if we look from this side, it would be the exact same view. Now in 3D, it would look something like this. Don't worry about 3D. I'm going to show you just so you can see, but don't worry about making a 3D model. This is just so you can see how it would look in 3D. Okay, there we go. And yeah, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this would be the red one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see that I'm not really worried about how messy this is, and you shouldn't be worried either. This can be as messy as it needs to be. Don't worry about making it super neat. I'm just going to add in, there we go, some dimensions like so. There we go, much better. Okay. And now we can add in these. Okay, good. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Good. And that's what it would look like. There we go. From the side. This is 1, 2, 3 layers high. But this here is enough for the homework. You can try to do this in Minecraft. That's fine too. The next part is understanding a cube. Now, this is going to be a little bit difficult. This will be the hardest part. So I want you to think about how many blocks are on one side of your square and how many layers tall should a cube be if all sides are equal. So if it goes up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, and it goes to the left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, right? Well, then we know that this space here, we're just timesing 5 by 5. So 5 multiplied by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25, right? And we know that one side is 25. Now, how many sides will there be? Well, we're not making the bottom and we're not making the top. We're only making the sides, right? So if we were to draw this in 3D, it would be something like this, right? Where we're only doing the sides. So we're not doing this bottom bit and we're not doing this top bit. We're only drawing the sides. And there are 4 sides. So 4 times one side. We know that one side is 25. Well, I'm going to leave that to you, but I'll write the equation right here. 4 times 25 equals. And that'll be the answer. So we also need to look at this, right? That's for number 1. How many layers tall should a cube be if all sides are equal? Where if everything is equal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, how many layers do you think it needs to have to make it equal? Right? If everything is 5, how many layers should it have? That should be quite easy too. The next part is going to be using a repeat to tell you how to create a cube. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to say repeat line and turn right. Now we did this in our lesson, right? And then if you do this 4 times, this will make a square. So now what we need to do, we need to say go up, and if we repeat this another 4 times, then we would make a cube. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it will go up 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So it would make a cube eventually if we do this. So all we're doing is repeating the square to make 1, 2, or rather repeating the line to make 1, 2, 3, 4 to make a square. Then we're repeating the square, so it goes upwards and upwards and upwards and upwards, so that we can see there is a cube in 3D. I know this is a bit difficult to imagine because I'm using pen and paper, but yeah, a cube looks like this, something like this. I'm not very good at drawing, but you get the idea, hopefully. Okay, so that's it. So this homework's a little bit about visualizing and using this repeat. If you can understand that repeating a cube, or rather a block, to make a line, and then repeating the line to make a square, and then repeating the square to make a cube, if you understand this, then this homework shouldn't be too difficult. So hopefully that was clear. And yeah, give it a go, try your best, and I'll look forward to seeing how you guys do in the next lesson.